friends, welcome to my channel. This is the third part of the VestaCP installation, right? So in this video guide, I will show you the how to install the plugin, how to update the plugin in Vesta cPanel WordPress, right? So in the first video of the part, we have installed the Vesta cPanel, and the second video of the part, we have installed the WordPress on it under the Vista cPanel, and in the third video of the part, I will show you the plugin upgradation, right, and theme and SSL of the website, right. So recently I have installed the WordPress, right. Our domain name is WordPress 1.dns.net, right. So I want to upgrade, or I want to install some themes, or I want to install the plugin or upgrade the plugin. So I want to upgrade it. So you can see that it will show me the error connection information, right. It is asking me the FTP, right. So this is the error, we should need to resolve it, right. For that we need to log in into the Vista cPanel. Vista cp1.indians.net, right. I'm logging into the Vista cPanel via SSH. So you need to get rid, if you want to get rid of this video, this error, you need to copy this video, copy this code into the wp admin config php, right. So go to the directory, first apt install vim. So I am installing the vim, uh, uh, vim uh, the vim is the editing software, right. File editing software, right. vim home admin web, and select the WordPress one, which is our website, public HTML and WP config.php. Go to this file, and in the bottom of the file you need to paste that particular code, right. So you need to paste the code, right. Define fs method directly, right. So it's done. You need to go back to the WordPress and refresh it, and now go to the plugin, and now you need to press on the update button, right. So now it will show me one more error, which is update fail, could not create directory, right. So if you face that kind of issue after installing the WordPress on Vista cPanel, you need to go to the one more time into via SSH. Go to the home admin web, and WordPress 1 public.html, and now you need to give the permission of triple W on WP admin content folder, chmod -r 777 WP content, right. So now it should work again, right. Now let's check again, right. So now update it, and this time it will update successfully, right. Yes, you can see that the plugin is updated successfully, right. You can see that the plugin is working successfully. So that way uh, you can install the plugin on it, right? So I will install one more plugin, right? Demo plugin, right? So let's classic editor install it. You can see that the plugin is successfully installed, and I will activate it, right? So the plugin is activated. It's just a demo purpose. I will show. I want to show you that the plugin is installed successfully, right? So that's all about it, right? Uh, you, thank you for watching, right? Thank